We're talking anodes. So we've got these two anodes. You can see the corrosion when we were taking the barnacles off, really corroded through, not totally gone, but it was time for replacement. So we've got the 3 3/4 inch rudder with the through bolt that we'll place right on. There's a link in the description if you want to get these, but they go right on the trim tabs after we've cleaned them up, and we get to connect them and be ready to go. Figure we're out of the water at Emilion Marina. We just had our Yamaha 300 serviced for their last 100-hour service. We've been doing a project of taking barnacles off of the trim tabs as well as up on our bow thruster, and in the process we decided we need to replace the anodes. So we're looking for 220 more subscribers, so if you like our content, the best way you can help our channel is subscribe so we can increase that subscriber list. Well, we're cleaning the barnacles off, found it's time to replace the zincs. You can see they're pretty worn out, and there's only one side left. This is on the bottom. All we had was a little end of the screw. So we're replacing the zincs on, much cleaner on this. Check out our other video on the barnacle removal if you need to do that. This is just the zinc replacement. These are 3.5 inch zincs going on. One side, we're gonna have it come up so that the nut's on the top and nothing's hanging down underneath. These zincs are about 20 months old, so they've been in the water 20 months. We stay in salt water, so they've lasted a good long time. And you just want to tighten it up. This is a 6mm on this, but it'll just depend on the zinc that you get. And it's tightened in place. We've replaced both of them. We've removed the barnacles. You can check that out. On the bow thruster, there's an anode here. We've taken the screw out. We had to tap it some with a hammer to get it loose, but we can pull it loose. You can see it has a bolt kind of nut space on the end. You can see there's some of the smoother surface still on here. It's not fully corroded. It's a specialty piece. I've ordered 2 of those that will have the link below so you can order spares. We're gonna be back in the water before they come, but I'm comfortable with this for the next 100 hours. So we're gonna keep that on and bolt it in place. But if you have a Jeanneau 1095, order it ahead of time so you have it out of the water. It's a specialty order piece, but this one's in good shape, where the ones on the trim tabs were a bolt with some just fine dust on them. Until next time, have fun, be safe, be happy.